Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your system and gathering what you need. First, identify the exact audio device model so you get the correct driver. Once done, download the official driver file and save it offline. Avoid third-party bundles. Make sure to create a system restore point and record the current driver version in Device Manager. These steps let you revert quickly if the new driver causes problems, and they prevent wasted time chasing the wrong package. You then remove the old driver and install the new one carefully. Start by uninstalling the previous driver in Device Manager. When prompted, delete driver software to avoid conflicts. Next, run the downloaded installer as administrator and choose Custom Install if offered, so you control which components load. If the executable fails, use Device Manager's Update Driver Browse, My Computer Let Me Pick Have Disk to point to the INF file. This manual route fixes signature or package issues. You finish by verifying functionality and setting preferences. After rebooting, open sound settings to select the default device, set sample rate and bit depth, and configure channels. This ensures apps use the right endpoint. Test audio in several programs and run a loopback or short audio file to catch latency or channel mapping issues. If you still have no audio, make sure to roll back the driver or reinstall from safe mode. This single troubleshooting step often resolves driver conflicts and corrupted installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.